currently 7:30 in the morning, and we are on our way to pick up a cool thing that I am going to trade for in Twin Falls, Idaho, so quite a ways away. I think it'll be worth it. Alright, we just stopped at Subway. It's our little car getting tradition, and here she is. Beyond excited about this. I can't really tell what frame it is. I don't know. I think it's probably just home built, but it's pretty nice. It's well done. The welds are pretty decent. There's a lot of pretty awesome welds and a few kind of shitty ones, but it's all right. We can fix whatever needs fixing. Pretty good for getting it in a trade. I traded my old moped for it. Cruising through the alley. So not bad. It does come with a transmission. I don't know if it goes into gear. Don't really know the condition of it. I don't know. We'll see. Swing axle, not terrible. Suspension exists. No engine cage. That's okay. I can build one for it, or I don't know. We'll see. All in all, pretty nice. I think the fuel tank would have sat here, so I can find some little fuel cell for it. Not too bad. All right, guys, it's the next day. That drive was pretty long, but we made it, and we brought home the buggy. I'm beyond excited. As I'm looking around, it's actually, the frame as a whole is significantly nicer than I thought it would be. And the welds are pretty decent. There's some spots that need some attention, and there's definitely some weird stuff going on the rear. I'll show you. The suspension and shock mounts are super odd. I don't really know. This big piece of angle iron. It's like random stuff welded to it. I don't really know what's going on there. Race buggy that I found. Okay, ready? It's just that tire's flat.
Tires are usually supposed to be round.
Incorrect.
Right now! But as Jamie accelerates, the ride seems to get smoother.
Yeah. I'm gonna hit on.
All right, and hit.
How are we doing? Yeah.
Watch your back tire, Sam. Your back tire is gonna miss the rail, I think.
I don't think so. I can hold it if I move. Are you okay? No, we're good. Okay. Here we go. Ready? Yeah. Okay, it's going. Let go. Nice.
Nice.
You videoing?
Yeah.
Yeah! Hell yeah! Deadlift champion 2024. All in all, guys, zero buyer's remorse with this one. I'm freaking excited. I love it already. Its name is going to be Rico 2. as it's the second Volkswagen powered race car on the channel. Obviously Rico number 1 is no longer Volkswagen powered, so this is to take its place. Now, all right, we're gonna try that again. Now, unfortunately, you won't see this car very much until this summer because this thing takes priority. So, sorry for you Volkswagen guys, but I gotta finish the Ranger.